Okay, we're going to solve problem number 2. Again, read the directions very carefully so we know what we're supposed to be doing. Label each missing side length and calculate the total perimeter. Unlike problem number 1, they don't give us what the missing side lengths are. So we need to solve this riddle using what we can see and what we know. Because we are smart, we can do this. Okay. I need to look right now and find my missing side lengths. So I don't see a number right here, and I don't see a number right here, but every other side, except here and here, has a label. So I need to start figuring out what my missing side lengths are. Again, I'm going to use some cuts to help me. I'm going to cut right there and right here. I know that this whole side is 13 inches. I didn't cut it very evenly, but this side should be the same length as this side. So this is 6 inches if I were to measure just from the cut to the bottom. I need to take 6 inches away from 13. And 13 minus 6 is 7 inches. So I can use what I just figured out. This will be the same length as this. So this is 7 inches. I can keep the 6 inches and the 6 inches and the 7 if I want to on this side, or I can just remember that the whole thing is 13. I'm going to leave them just in case we need them. So it looks like I am going to need them. 7 inches on this side above the cut will be the same. Because this is a rectangle, I know that these will be the same. So this is 4 inches. And this 7 inches will be the same on this side. So we have 7 inches. I know that this side was 7 inches, so this is going to be 7 inches. You just have to remember the rules about squares and rectangles. Basically, squares, all the sides are the same length. Rectangles, the two on the left and right will be the same, and the two on the top and the bottom will be the same. So I need to figure out now this side length. How do I do that? You could be asking yourself. So I'm going to look at the bottom. This is 10 inches, this bottom right here. But if I add this, 2 inches total, if I went to there, this would be 12 inches. So if I went from here all the way over here, 4 inches plus 2 inches plus whatever this is, it will equal 12 inches. So I need to use what I know. I know I have 4 inches on this side. I have 2 inches there. So I'm going to add that. 6 inches. 4 plus 2 is 6 inches. I need to figure out how many I need to get to 12 inches. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. So this section is 6 inches. Now, I have to do a lot of addition here. Be careful. Don't add things that you don't need to. If you decided to add 7 and 6, don't add the 13. If you decided to add 10 and 2, don't add 12. Okay? Be very careful when you're doing this addition. I'm going to add the 13. And then I'm going to add 12. That takes care of this 10 and the 2. I could cross out the ones that I've used. So I have 12. I need to add this 6, this 7, this 6. I'm going to add 7 and 7, which is 14, and 2 more is 16. Just take care of all of those. I'm going to add the last 4 inches. I don't add the 7 and the 6 because I chose to add the 13. And this 4 inches we didn't need. It was just extra information. Okay, so I have all the numbers that I need to add, and I'm going to do that right now. 6 and 4 is 10, plus 6 more is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. 23 plus 6 is 29. 29 plus 2 is 31. 31 plus 3 is 34. My 3 goes up here. My 4 goes down there. You'll have to check me if I'm wrong. Let me know. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. So the total perimeter of this shape is 54 inches. My 54 goes right here. I need to make sure I have my label. 54 inches. And that is how you solve problem number 2.